meter, and I fold it at the middle. It's going to be a very simple ring. Today we make all the ring is easy, not any difficult design. Fold. So the two here. This one. Fold. Wrap up. Wrap up. Okay, then separate the 3 wire, and we will use this. This color can be matched with this color. This is the Amazon net. Okay. Here. So here we go. Wrapper. Come here. Wrapper. Here. Wrapper. Come and wrapper. So it's like this. The bead size is 3 millimeter high 10 V. 3 millimeter beads here. This one we make this ring is for the several piece ring well together. Together to weld the ring, not weld by one piece. Set ring. Hello, Shana Blue. Okay, here. This one. This. Here. Cross. If any friends interested in this kind of the design, you can follow me, and I sell all this copper wire by bulk meter, by bulk reel. If you want to try to learn how to make the wire wrap jewelry, you can buy the materials here. For the design, you will see I always keep to string the beads at the top of the right side. Okay, always wrap at the top of the right. Here. This way. Then we're going to use this long wire to tight. The wire size that we use is here. This one, the wire size is 0.6, and the two is 0.3 and 0.4. So if any friends you are interested to making the ring, you can get the copper wire I sell here. This one, then here we are going to tight. This way. and tight. How much are the beads? These beads Amazon net. Let me check. AM is it's 3mm. 3mm Amazon net beads is 12. Yeah. If you want to order, you claim it 12. Yeah. $12. Nature Amazon. Yeah. Here I make it in a size 9 here. This one. Here. Thank you. 9 and tight. It's like this way. Okay, wait for a moment. I pack for you later. Tight. And tight. This is the way that to wrap the end. This way will be stronger. Wrap the end here. Okay. So this one and when we are well, it's well like it. If you wear just the two, it's nice. Yeah. And here this. So it's all the turquoise color. Then next we continue for the others.